Okay, so one of the things that I've been liking here in my studio has been speakers for my computer. And today we're going to do that. Sometimes I want to be able to listen to my computer have a nice sounds, but I didn't want to spend too much money. This is what this came to the picture. Hopefully it's going to resolve that issue. By the way, welcome to the content creator channel. Here what we do is that we look at gear like this. We talk about strategy. We talk about things that may help you become a better creator. So make sure you subscribe, hit that notification, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Sure, this is going to be an unboxing. This is a Logitech Z207 Bluetooth. So as far as I know, you can connect it to your computer via 3.5 input or Bluetooth, which is probably very beneficial to connect it to your cell phone. So like I say, I haven't opened it yet, so I'm going to do an unboxing here. It says listen wireless to rich stereo sound. You can see them right here, the design, how they look. And actually down here, they do claim to be the #1 selling PC speaker brand. So that's actually kind of interesting. Let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, that was a little bit more difficult than that should have been. Okay, so here we have it, and this is going to be everything that comes in the box. It's going to be two speakers right here, which as you can see, they're actually connected by a cable. So obviously you're going to put one on the right, one on the left. You're going to have a power source, as you can see right here. And then you're going to have a cable. I'm assuming this is going to be the cable to plug it to the computer via 3.5 mic input. So I'm going to give you a look of each speaker. They feel a little bit heavy, so that's good. I like it to have a little bit of weight so they make sure they're nice and stable in my desk. So you can see how it looks right here. Obviously, it has a little bit of branding right here, and you can see the two speakers right there. This is the top right there. Look at the top right there. And then if you come right here to the side, this is the left speaker. It's actually branded right here with the letter L. And then you see the leg right here actually has a little bit of padding here and a little bit of padding. So it kind of sits like this, right? And as it sits right there, you can kind of see it right here. It feels okay. It doesn't feel like it's going to go anywhere. It feels like it's going to be nice and stable. Now, this speaker right here is a little bit different, right? Because you're going to see it right here, but it does have a little bit of control. It has an input right here. It has a Bluetooth setting right here, and I believe this is the volume knob. And actually, if I go all the way to the left, it's off, but if I come here, you can kind of feel a little bit of tension and a little clicky. I'm assuming that's to turn it on, and obviously you have the volume. Feels okay, really feels okay for the price. Not that bad. So again, 3.5 connected to your computer. Press here, and now you can connect it via Bluetooth to your computer or to your cell phone or something like that. Again, this is going to be an R right here. So this is your right speaker. And again, you're going to have the auxiliary port right here. And you're going to have the plug to plug it to essentially to the wall right there. So again, kind of going to give you a closer look right there so you guys can have an idea. Then we're kind of going to put it here in my computer. And we're just going to play a little bit of music just so I could get an idea. Obviously, can't really play too much music through this, but at least I could give you some personal thoughts. Okay, so I just connected this, and let me show you kind of how I have it right now for you guys to kind of understand. Okay, so right here, we're going to have speaker left right here, which is going to be sitting a little bit slightly to my left. Here we have the speaker on the right, which is perfect because the way that I'm sitting right here, I could have quick access to this right here. So again, this is going to be the volume turn on, turn off. I'm actually connected to my computer via 3.5 mic, but this button right here is going to be the Bluetooth. I actually connected this to my cell phone as well. So if I'm listening to my cell phone here in the office and I want to play the sound through this, I could play the sound through this. If I want to stop it and play the sound from my computer, I could play the sound from my computer. So two different capabilities, really, for the price is fantastic. I just did a sound check and I play the radio station, my local radio station. I also play a video here on YouTube. I play a video through my phone as well. And the sounds is good. It's not super excellent, but it's actually very, very good. And it's a really good improvement to your computer speakers. Okay, so this is going to be the right speaker. I just showing you the back right here. Again, it's going to be plugged to the outlet, and the other one is going to be plugged to my computer. And I do have a different setup that probably the normal guy out there. I have everything plugging into this device right here, which is a hub, and then it's coming into my laptop via Thunderbolt too. So essentially what I did was that I plug in the 3.5 mic from my speakers into this, and now I could play the sound. So again, I still have one cable that I plug into the computer, and then my monitor and everything else, including the speakers that I have connected, goes through this system, and then it goes into my computer. And I just want to show you this. I actually had to go into my settings, and for the output, I had to pick Thunderbolt combo right here. Like I said, just got it, just unbox it, just install it, and I'm gonna tell you, I like it. All right, don't forget to hit that subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. Again, I appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you in the next one.